Where does the name for Porthyfelin come from? So today I'm just outside Holyhead in an area called Porthyfelin. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down a bit. First we have Porth. Now a Porth is a harbour or an inlet or a cove of some kind. We have which means the, and then we have Felin. Now Felin is the soft mutation of melin, which means a mill, and it comes from the Latin word mulanum, which means actually it's related to the French word moulin. So if it's the port or the harbour of the mill, which mill is it talking about? Well, actually, on this hill behind me, there used to be a mill called T Felindor. So T is a house, Felin is a melon, is the mill, and Dor is water, so a water mill. So the name literally means the cove, the harbour of the mill. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest, my pilgrimage, to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.